So in this video, I'm gonna go over how to teach your baby to roll. Specifically, I'm gonna show you the steps and provide tips on teaching your baby to roll from their belly to their back, as well as from their back to their belly. We're gonna start with belly to back, as that's easier for your child to learn. So the key to teaching your baby to roll from their belly to their back is by using an item to visually guide the movement. So you'll want to select an item that the baby really likes looking at, whether that's like a pocket mirror or some mylar beads or maybe some dangly keys. Once you've identified what this motivating item is, you'll have that positioned in front of the baby while they're on their belly. And then once you have their visual attention on that item, you're going to bring it around to the side and start raising it up higher, so that way the child will have to turn or start the rolling process in order to continue to visually gaze at that item. As needed, you'll want to use your hands to help facilitate the movement by placing your hand on their belly and then helping guide them through the rolling pattern. And so to teach your baby to roll from their back to their belly, you're also going to visually guide the movement with a motivating item like we just discussed for rolling belly to back. The difference though is that once your child is visually gazing at this item, you will wait for them to reach for the item with one of their arms before you initiate the rolling process. And so if you want your baby to roll through their left side, you'll want to ensure that they're reaching for the item with their right arm. And so once they're reaching for that item with their right arm, then you will take that item and you will slowly move it towards the ground and towards a direction that will be in front of them as they do the rolling process. And so if your child needs to, you'll want to assist them using your hand by having that placed along their backside and then helping to facilitate the roll through onto their belly. And so once they're on their belly, their arm may have gotten a little stuck, so you'll want to help them weight shift towards the opposite side of the arm that's stuck in order to help them to free that arm up so they'll be comfortable on their belly and ready to play. And so those are the steps and my tips in how you can teach your baby to roll. Thanks for watching my video.